Money doesn't respond to emotion. It responds to structure. Most people chase money. Very few design systems that earn it. Money flows toward organization. It avoids chaos. Money rewards consistency, predictability, and value creation. Not motivation, not mood, and certainly not wishful thinking. Think about it. The stock market doesn't care if you had a bad day. Your clients don't pay you for feeling inspired. They pay you for delivering results. The universe doesn't hand out cash for good intentions. It rewards a solid plan executed with discipline. If your income depends entirely on how you feel when you wake up in the morning, it will always be unstable. It will fluctuate wildly. One week you might feel like a superstar, and the next, you can barely get out of bed. That's a recipe for financial anxiety. But if your income will oil stabilis, it becomes predictable. That is the fundamental difference between just surviving and truly building wealth. A system can be anything. It could be an automated email sequence for your business. It could be a disciplined investment strategy where you contribute a set amount every single month, no matter what the market is doing. It could be a content creation schedule you stick to, week in and week out. These structures are what separate amateurs from professionals. They are what separate wishful thinkers from high earners. Wealth isn't loud and flashy. It's not about the hype you see online. Real wealth is structured. It's built quietly, piece by piece, day by day. It's protected carefully, not gambled away on a whim. It's the result of countless small, disciplined actions compounding over time. It's the boring stuff that leads to exciting results. So, ask yourself, is your income based on your mood, or is it based on a model? Are you relying on fleeting bursts of motivation, or are you building a reliable structure? Remember, money is neutral, it's a tool. It doesn't play favorites. It flows to those who show discipline, and it multiplies for those who build systems.